Hi, today I'm going to go through the pivot turn and the chase turn. The pivot turn and the chase turn. I know that there are different opinions to what's a pivot turn. Different dance styles interpret or mean different things when they say pivot turn. So I'm going to explain what most people in line dance mean when they say pivot turns. Okay, so I'm going to start with a weight on my left. I step forward on my right. I turn I'm going to do a half turn. So I turn a half over my left shoulder. And when I do that, I change my weight to my left. One more time. So I step forward on right. Weight is on right. I turn a half, change the weight to my left. And the whole turn happens without lifting my feet. So I don't turn like step, but it's step, twist, and make a half turn. The weight ends on left, normally. Yeah. You can also have a variation of the pivot where you step forward, you pivot a half, but you end the weight back on right. You keep the weight on right the whole time. That's a variation of the pivot. See the pivot, of course, you turn a half. Well, you do the turn without moving your feet. Yeah? So it's a sort of stationary turn. Okay? Of course, I can do the same in my left. I can step forward on my left, make a half turn over my right shoulder, change weight to my right, and then finish the pivot turn. The normal counting on the pivot turn is 1, 2. That's a normal counting. Yeah. Just to show you this direction as well. Step forward, turn a half, and again step forward, turn a half. Of course, you can do a pivot quarter turn as well. Pivot quarter turn. Then I step forward on my right. The same start as a half turn, but I make just a quarter turn on my left shoulder and I change the weight to my left. One more time. So I step forward, make a quarter turn, change the weight to my left. That's normal. I can also, of course, step, turn a quarter and keep my weight on my right to behind side cross or something. Okay, I'm going to go through the chase turn. Chase turn as well. It sort of starts in the same way as the pivot turn. So if I start with weight on my left, I step forward on my right, step forward, I pivot a half over my left shoulder, weight is on left, but in the chase turn, I make one more step right foot forward, step. So it's an extra step compared to the pivot half turn. One more time, so it's step, turn a half, step. And the normal counting in a chase turn is 1 and 2. Okay, I can of course do it with my left foot stepping forward as well. Then it's step forward, turn, step forward. Then it's left foot that sort of chases out of the turn. Yeah, so it's just one extra step compared to the pivot. Okay, I'm going to do it in this direction as well. So step forward, turn a half, step forward. And if I do it with my left, step forward, turn a half, step forward. So I end up, so it's sort of a little bit faster and one extra step compared to the pivot turn.